Hi there, Tommy here. So it's a new year, and I hope you have a great holiday and have a great Christmas celebration and New Year's celebration. So it's a new year, and how this year is going to turn out depends on two things. Either maybe you have some, you should have some goals set up, and maybe you have done some New Year's resolutions, and it depends on you if you stick to those resolutions no matter what, or if you just give up after a while. Anything worth having is worth working towards and working against. So really stick to those resolutions if it's really something that you want to have. Um, I can't promise that what you find in the comment section is something that will fix all your financial goals, but I think it's something that can benefit you if you want to, for instance, pay off some debt or make some money on the side. So feel free to check that out. Have a great day. Bye bye.